Good morning, guys. I'm sitting here waiting for my business partner. We have some plan to go today to the market, have some breakfast, and let's see what is this. Say hello. Where are we going today?
I don't know. Don't film me. I'm not.
Yes, we will make a vlog. It's okay?
No.
Yeah, your sister likes.
This is Jonomi. You
Okay.
can call her JK. This is Sergey.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Where we are going?
In the market.
We are going to the market in Dumaguete city. And
Can you please stop filming that film and then drive?
smells so good.
Okay.
Okay, so this is my rice and this is the chocolate. You need to do like this. Right? Is it correct?
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
And then you eat. And now I will eat this one. How to eat?
I'm co-producing you.
I need to open it like this.
Okay.
It is difficult.
Don't be an indie. Hold
Like-
on. Yep.
Like this.
Yeah.
How to eat? How to eat? Can you show? I open like this. Like this. And inside.
You can do this.
Ow! This is how you eat. It is sweet.
I think you have to put that with the chocolate, no?
I'm so dirty now. Revolution. Today is holiday actually. Revolution Day. Insa?
Insa, yeah.
Insa Day.
Insa.
That is why so many people today.
Hello, sir. Morning, morning.
I will buy 2 coconuts, 20 pesos each.
Buwa ka ni? Ma'am,
We're ready now to
is it
drink.
yours?
Oh.
I will just get. Okay. Salamat.
Salamat.
Bye bye. Very heavy. Now we will go here to drink. Where is
Okay.
your sister? Do you filming?
Yeah.
And this is my coconut.
This is so funny.
Very good. Very good.
Comrade. Very good, comrade.
So this is our breakfast in Philippines.
I'm not sure about that.
This is my healthy breakfast.